also have the rear. That's why he didn't have to take the first here.
And actually, our rear will turn 55.
And your axle pulled up to that?
Yeah.
If he doesn't match it too hard? Yeah.